Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that.
Hey guys, it's Viv, and for today's video I'm here with Melody, and we're going to be showing you Melody's OOTD from the last time we went out to the American Girl place in the Eaton Center in Toronto, which was in our previous video. So if you haven't seen that already, it'll be linked in the card in the top right hand corner or in the description box down below. And yeah, I did a tour of the new Girl of the Year collection as I mentioned, so you should definitely go check that out if you're interested in seeing that. But for today's video, like I mentioned, Melody and I are going to be showing you her OOTD, so let's go ahead and get started with that. Need the whole outfit if you are wondering, except for the socks and the shoes. So she is wearing a black beanie hat with her hair straight down. She's also wearing a baby pink cropped hoodie that I made, and I made this I made the pattern in a previous tutorial, so if you haven't seen that, it will be linked in the description box down below. Melody's also wearing a pair of light wash distressed overalls that I made, and if you want to see a video on DIY overalls, be sure you let me know in the comment section down below. And for her shoes, she is wearing some black Converse style shoes and some white socks that are pulled up to keep her ankles warm. So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos like this and vlog videos, hairstyle videos, all relating to American Girl dolls. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you want to see next, be sure you let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you next time for another video. Bye!